What's good? Welcome back. We're going to talk about Matic and Ethereum. They're pulling back towards our pullback zones. We're sitting at 82 cents. We're down 1%. See market cap 7.61 billion, 24 volume 744 million. Let's look at the chart. Bada bing, bada boom, starting to pull back just a little bit. So if we do end up pulling back from here, we're looking for a wave forward, target zone 77 cents, 72 cents. You could look for a little long trade in that zone. Preferably, I like to enter on wave 2s. 4s are obviously more risky, but they definitely are tradable. So if we pop over to our next chart, hey, if you're getting any value out of this video, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So we pushed up, way up to our next resistance zone in between 85 cents and about 81 cents. You can see a lot, see all the trading volume right here. So this is definitely an area to look for a potential rejection pullback in that wave 4, and then see continuation up potentially to that next resistance at about 91 cents for our friend Matic. We're exploding to the upside, so it would be healthy to see pullback relatively soon, and will give us another entry opportunity to follow the trend and ride up the waves. All right, gang. So what we're looking for Ethereum is a wave 4 pullback. Take your fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 2 all the way up to the wave 3. You can see we hit our TP3 on our juicy Ethereum trade from our entry here. Absolute explosion, 23% gain. Nothing wrong with that. So we're looking for a pullback. Usually it's going to land in between the 23.6 and the 38.2 with the max retracement of the 50% fib level. So your target zone is 2072 and about 2030. And that's when we'll likely see a bounce and push up in a wave 5. So do watch for that. We've already met the 23.6. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Looks really good on the daily. Look at this. We broke out of the massive ascending triangle. Absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. Exactly what we want to see. So eventually we will likely retest it, because as you can see, we absolutely melted through it. See that retest, hold that retest. That could be a beautiful trade. Bada bing, bada boom. All the way up to 3,102. Likely that will take some time, but there will be some trades on the way. You do have resistance here in between about 2315 and about 24, a little bit of leg, 2524 for ETH. So that's what we're looking at for Matic and Ethereum. Pull back in our wave 4s before pushing up in our wave 5. My signals are 10 bucks a month. We crushed it on Solana, we crushed it on Gala, we crushed it on Ethereum. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. Make sure to sign up to the Discord. 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. You really can't beat it. Look at the members absolutely crushing it with their trades here. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As you can see, we just crushed it on ETH, crushed it on Solana. We just crashing it. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. Mahado all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. Looking to get into silver and gold. Crushed it on US oil, 1,300 pips. Insane. Trade crypto, trade Forex for 10 bucks. You really can't beat it. Sign up, all links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.